You're inside.
1, 2, 3.
It's always a big kiss. And another. George, do it. Oh, very good.
I'm doing some kisses for Mummy.
Mwah. Mwah. Love you, Mummy. Purple, that's right, George. Purple. Shall we do a different colour kiss? What shall we do next? A kiss? What colour's this one? What colour's that kiss? Red kiss. Red kiss for Mummy. Very nice. What a clever boy. You want to do another kiss?
No.
What colour do you want to do now?
Red.
What about this one? What colour's this kiss going to be?
Green.
That's right, Lewis, it is green.
Green.
Put on your t-shirt.
Good. Come. Give a picture for me,
Nice.
Graham.
You can show it, Mummy. Show it, look at the camera. Show it, look at the camera. Say, Happy birthday, Mummy.
Then you say happy birthday, George.
Hey.
Happy birthday, Mummy. Very
boy.
good. Well
Hooray.
done.
Happy birthday, my Mummy.